Connecting to the camera. Turn on your camera by pressing the button in the center of the front panel. When it beeps, press the button on the side. You should see a blue light flashing. Set your Penguin down and pick up your Android or iOS device. Open your Wi-Fi settings and find the name of your camera. You can find that on the box. The name you are looking for will be on the bottom panel under your serial number. Your Wi-Fi ID should start with 360 Rise. Tap on that name. It will now ask you for a password. That's right there on the box as well. Right under the Wi-Fi name is the Wi-Fi password. Here's a hint, it's 360 Chillin'. Now let your camera and your phone talk. In the 360 app, tap the camera and phone icon in the upper right. That will take you to a screen that will show you an image of the camera and a phone. Under the phone is an icon with two arrows making a circle. Tap that. Now your phone and your camera are talking to each other.